Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Now, today I'm going to talk about watches. I'm a bit of a watchaholic, I always have been. When I was kind of, I don't know, 16, 15, 16, I had a mentor in the gym, Arthur, and Arthur had a Rolex. And I was about to upgrade my Laura Sports for a Casio, and Arthur said, get yourself a decent watch. So I bought a Rolex Submariner. Anyway, through the years, the Rolex is no more, and I'm left with other watches. Now, I've got one really nice watch that was actually made for me by a company called Offshore Professional. I'll drop a link below in the description. Now, the Offshore Professional is great, but it's not really hard wearing enough for me to wear through my day-to-day adventure life. So I've tried other stuff. I tried the Casio G-Shock. It didn't work for me. I tried a cheap little Timex. It was great. The face was very visible, but it wasn't robust and waterproof enough, and I broke it. More recently, I've tried one of these Wenger things, and this was good. It looks great. It feels great on the wrist, but again, it's not quite robust enough, and it mists up. So I was thinking, what can I do? What kind of watch can I get? So I've agonised over this because I really am a bit of a watch fiend, right? And time is important to me. Sometimes my life depends on it, but I'm always looking. I don't like digital watches. I like to see a nice, clean, crisp face just with hands. Hour hand, minute hand, and second hand, and that's it. So I started to look, and I came up with the idea of buying a Luminox. And I was not far off pressing the button when a really good friend of mine, Colin Green, said, just take a look at Traser. So I went to YouTube. I'd never heard of them. So I went to YouTube, I went to Google, I searched Traser, and I found what looks to be a great watch. So I bought one. So I bought this Traser. Anyway, so let's take the box open and have a look, see what it looks like. So this is it. You're seeing what I see, right? I've just taken this out of the kind of plastic bag that came in. This is how it was wrapped in bubble wrap. I've not touched the tape. You see what I see as I see it. Okay, let's have a take a look. Carefully split. I'm really not very good at this. Okay, carefully. When I say I'm not very good at this, I mean I'm not very good at being careful. So let's kind of open this up. It's well wrapped, so hopefully it was protected well during transit. Bit of bubble wrap, I can use that for something else. Put it to one side. Here we go. So it's a nice flashy box. Traser on the front. Looks cool. Okay, slide this off. And I'm always kind of nervous. Here we go. Traser Swiss watches. Open up. Whoa, there it is. You can't get a cleaner looking face. Look at this. Just black, white hands, white numbers. Job done. Neat box. What's here? We've got product manuals with a QR code and international warranty card with all of the information on the back. I'm excited. So this is it. This is the Traser. It's the H3. Looks good. It's not very heavy, which compared to my other watches, it's a lot lighter, which is great. I've got no problem with that. It means I can wear it for active stuff. So that's kind of, I don't know what the bracelet is, rubber or, that's not rubber. I'll look it up. I'll drop it in the description. I'll drop a link to this watch in the description so you can see what it is and where it came from. And that's it. It's 200 meters water resistant. So I can use it with confidence when I swim, when I paddle, when I fall off the paddleboard, all kinds of stuff. And if I put it on, that's what it looks like. Okay, cut this off. So that's it, a very quick unboxing video of my new Traser watch. You saw it as I saw it. Now this isn't really a review, right? because to do a review properly, you've got to put the watch or the product through its paces. I detest seeing reviews on YouTube where people just unbox it or they say this is a product. That's not a review, that's an overview. If you really want to review it, try the product out, and that's what I intend to do with this. I'm going to run with it, I'm going to swim with it, I'm going to bike with it, I'll paddleboard with it, I'll probably fall off the paddleboard with it, I'll surf with it, or try to, it's been a while. I'll fish with it, I'll do everything that I normally do and really put this watch through its paces. And then in 6 months' time, if I remember, I'll come back with a review of how the watch has performed. But for now, I'm going to go and enjoy being able to tell the time. So whatever you're doing, be good, be brilliant, be awesome. And remember, if I can help you in any way, get in touch and let's make good stuff happen.